Transponder keys for 2007 to 2016 Chevy Silverado trucks use RFID chips that must match the vehicle's body control module, or BCM, to start the engine. These models use GM's Passkey 3 or Passkey 3 Plus Immobilizer system, which prevents unauthorized starts by requiring the correct chip communication. DIY programming is now possible with affordable OBD2 scanners and smartphone tools, saving money over dealership fees. While DIY saves money, be aware of risks like voiding warranties or causing lockouts. Success requires a working BCM with no major issues. You'll need a blank key with matching transponder, an OBD2 programmer, and to put the vehicle into programming mode by cycling the ignition. A common pitfall is using incorrect transponder types, so always verify compatibility using your VIN. DIY programming involves two main steps. First, key learning. Insert a programmed key, turn the ignition to on without starting, and cycle it multiple times to teach the BCM. Second, transponder cloning or programming. Use an OBD2 tool to read and write BCM data. Tools like the Innova 7111 or Autel AP200 connect via the OBD port under the dashboard. Expert opinions suggest DIY is best for tech-savvy users, as mistakes can damage the BCM. Statistics show around 75% DIY success rates for these Silverado models, but this drops for novices. Watch out for cheap tools, as cybersecurity firms warn they can introduce vulnerabilities. Before starting, make sure the transponder type matches your car through VIN lookup and ensure a clean OBD connection. Cost savings are significant, around 80% compared to dealer programming, but always weigh the risks against the potential rewards.